Hello everyone, and in this lecture I'll be showing you how to build your application so then you can actually host it on your website. So I'm just going to cancel our development server, and then if we go into our package.json we can see all of our commands, and we can just run npm run generate, sorry. And once this is finished, it should have generated our website, all of our static website files that we will be able to add onto our hosting provider, if it's HostGator or Hostinger or anything. And it should be able to show our website exactly how it is right here. And it should have all of our content inside of our page source, as you can see right here. So then our search engines will be able to see everything, and we will get ranked way higher than the other people. Also, our static code will be able to load in way faster instead of running a server and having to do a ton of stuff on the client side. So if I just reveal our project in my file explorer, you can see a dist folder, which is just distributions. And we can open this up, and inside of here we can see all of our different pages generated. So you can see how the routes were generated. So we have a donate page, and it's a donate folder, and then we have an index.html. So this way, if we go to our website /donate/contact/about, it'll automatically load in those websites. And we have our favicon, but I actually didn't have that added in. But if you're actually publishing this, then you should make sure you have a favicon. And to host this, all you have to do is just drag in all of this code, or all of this files, and then you should be able to host it. And if you're doing with Netlify, you would actually just drag in your whole project, except for the node underscore modules, because then you would just specify that you were using Nuxtjs. So that's it for this course. I hope you guys learned a lot from this, and hopefully you create some amazing websites with Nuxt.js. See ya.